Before we dive into the exercises for the Hoops web viewer, I wanted to take a minute and talk about some of the prerequisites which you'll need to be familiar with in order to successfully complete the assignments. In terms of a development environment, we'll be using the bundled web server included in the Hoops web viewer package, and you're free to use the text editor of your choice. Really, the exercises are simple enough where we won't need an IDE for this. You'll need a basic understanding of HTML and CSS. In the exercises, we'll be adding and removing some DOM elements and classes. We'll be using the Bootstrap framework for UI layout, so if you're not familiar with that, you can read up on how it works. We include a version bundled with the training materials, so you won't need to install that on your own. In terms of JavaScript, you should have a familiarity with promises and async and await. Due to the asynchronous nature of Communicator, these will play a prominent role in a lot of the API functions you'll be using. We'll be using jQuery for DOM manipulation and AJAX requests, so if you're not too familiar with jQuery, it'll be good to read up on that as well. And in terms of the browser, you can use any browser you want. We'll be making use of the built-in debugger in order to debug our exercises.